Unlocking academic language, mastering academic vocabulary. Hello learners! Welcome to another exciting video in our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive into a crucial topic under Understanding Academic Language, Recognizing Academic Vocabulary. This lesson will be especially helpful for those of you who frequently listen to academic lectures and presentations. But don't worry if you don't, this will still strengthen your English language skills and expand your vocabulary. Academic vocabulary refers to the words and phrases that are predominantly used in academic and research settings. These words are generally more formal, precise, and often more complex than the vocabulary used in everyday conversation. A good grasp of academic vocabulary can greatly improve your understanding and analysis of academic lectures and presentations. Examples of academic vocabulary include words like analyze, theory, hypothesis, context, principle, evidence, critical, perspective, and so on. Recognizing academic vocabulary is an essential skill for comprehending academic texts and lectures. But how do you do that? Here are some strategies. 1. Look for uncommon or complex words. Academic vocabulary often includes words that are less commonly used in everyday language. These words are typically more specialized or sophisticated. 2. Note the formal tone. Academic vocabulary tends to have a formal tone. Words that sound formal, or perhaps even a bit stiff compared to conversational English, can often be classified as academic vocabulary. 3. Spot subject-specific terminology. If you are listening to a lecture about a specific field, like psychology, anthropology, or physics, be aware that subject-specific terms are also part of academic vocabulary. Building your academic vocabulary can seem daunting, but here are a few strategies to make the process easier and more effective. 1. Read widely. The more you expose yourself to academic texts, the more you'll become familiar with academic vocabulary. 2. Use a dictionary. Whenever you come across a word you don't understand, look it up. Many dictionaries also label words that are particularly common in academic contexts. 3. Flashcards and practice. Make flashcards of new academic words you learn. Practice using them in sentences to understand their context better. And there we have it. We've explored what academic vocabulary is, how to recognize it, and strategies to expand your own academic vocabulary. We hope this video proves beneficial in your English language learning journey, especially when listening to academic lectures and presentations. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. So, keep practicing and expanding your vocabulary. You've got this! See you in our next video. Happy learning!